Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of cleaning my room, and as you can see it's a task that desperately needs to be done. If you missed part 1, I'll link it below. We did all of this stuff up here, we did some wardrobe work with my jewellery and everything. There's crap everywhere guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around with a rubbish bag, pick up rubbish, pick up recycling, and I will take each makeup item, put it on top of the bench where like they go in the drawers, and then I will put stuff inside the drawers with you guys. So you'll see a bit of organising. I'm gonna just be kind of chucking stuff in the drawers. I'm not gonna keep it very tidy because we'll go through each drawer together and do declutters at some stage soon too. This is the result of lots and lots of filming, lots of first impressions, lots of PR haulage. There's crap everywhere, so gonna be lots of fast forward noises for you here. And we're just gonna try and belt through it so that I have a nice reset space for filming some new content for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. I apologise if you saw a wad of hair just sitting there. I cleaned it out of my hairbrush and it was just in the shot, and that's disgusting. I told you this room was feral. This is all like new PR that I haven't used yet, as is a lot of this stuff here. I'm gonna take this upstairs for Hamish. It's like his favourite cleanser right now. Actually, I love it too. I've been using it as well. We've both been using it, so we'll both use that. I used a small size of this in the end. Ended up really liking it. Been trying some of the Trinity London skincare upstairs too, so I'll let you guys know how I think, or what I think of that later on. But a lot of this is skincare, so I need to like declutter some of that. There's just too much for me to use by myself. New lipsticks. Do I do a lip swatch video? Let me know. There's like 2 layers in here. This could be cute displayed maybe on my shelves. It's real pretty. I reckon we will. This is actually so old. I'm going to throw this away. I need a new facial exfoliator upstairs. What's the difference between this one and the one I just showed you? I'm going to need more SPF upstairs too, because I've almost finished mine, so I'll take that up. And I've almost finished my Good Jeans upstairs, so I'll take that up. Got this one by Trinity London, Tiptoe In PHA exfoliant. We'll try that. I've got 2, so I'm going to take up a micellar water too, just for like after I work out, just to wipe my face down. So I've got my little shopping basket to take upstairs with me. I have so many new blushes, so I'm just going to chuck them all into the spare drawer we have down here. This is already changing colour. These are actually technically highlight and contour. I'll move them now, otherwise I'll never do it. We'll organise them when we declutter. I think we're going to have to do a junk drawer. Oh, I need to move those upstairs. A junk drawer for sunglasses and like hair ties and stuff. Just down, down there until we figure out what we're doing with it. Because like obviously, I need to think of some storage solutions. Like there's sunglasses and stuff too. So I'll just like throw them in a drawer for now and we'll get to that when we get some organised. And I'll do like a finalised revision. But for now I just want to get this like bench top clean, so that it's all nice and tidy. I'm going to put all of my rings in one of these. We organised this mostly in my previous video, by the way. If you're like, what do you mean organised? That's a mess. I mean all of that. And like, all of them. that's that whole section done. This has turned into a storage ground for the time being. There's stuff for first impressions in those boxes, some empties, just some stuff I have to find a place for. I use this stuff for like makeup stains on my countertop. It removes makeup real good because sometimes some stuff stains like the bench top, so that works. I'm going to use some of my Soleil and Sol dry brush mist. I also love this, but I don't have a little container for it right now because you pour it into a container and dip. I don't have my container downstairs, so I'm just going to use this one, which is really handy between touch-ups and stuff like that. This one I find more effective when I'm speed at cleaning crap tons of brushes because it's like dip, wipe, whereas this one you obviously, whoops, have to spray it, but just so good. My friend created this business too. How clever. And it smells so good. Quick view check today. It is so foggy out there and it's like spitting rain, but it's kind of a vibe. I don't know. It'd help if I'd focus it right. Anyway. This is feral. Sorry in advance to any of you who find this disgusting, but I thought some of you might find it satisfying. I cannot find any better scissors than this. Oh look, there's actually a line you can cut down here. But I couldn't see it because there was so much fluff and hair on it. Love that. I'm gonna go do a second vacuum now. It's not as bad as I thought it was, to be honest. It was just kind of messy rather than, you know, dusty or anything like that. That's all that was in here. Alright, and now I'm going to just put away the stuff that's like on the top of my bench. Whee! Up here. See these stains here, they don't come off unless I use this Barkeeper's Friend stuff. And it comes right off. Alright, and we are clean. Yay, all the recycling is done. I want to go get myself a mirror for hair maybe this weekend. I'll show you guys that when I get it. This has accumulated some junk, some empty, some stuff I need to give to people, some work stuff I'm working on. But you know what? Whatever. We'll get there. As I get some cool PR and stuff, I think I'll start putting it up here, put up some of my lip glitters for now. Might actually stack them up so that they're like too high. But yeah, you know what? At least my background's tidy, at least it feels clean. All the dust is vacuumed up, the bench tops are wiped, looking fresh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video with me. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye bye.